How to use social media to grow your business. Have you been thinking about how to use social media to grow your business? But at the same time, you just don't know how to go about it? This article can be your guide. Hop in. We'll show you all you need to know to build that outstanding brand on social media. Social media is the driving force of the world today. So why not use this force to grow your business? That is thoughtful, right? Why social media is essential. If you're still in doubt about how important social media is, well, we will let the numbers do the talking. But don't get this wrong. You shouldn't forget that marketing is most effective not when it reaches the most number of people, but when you've been able to give your audience an easy and immediate opportunity to act. I hope you've noted the difference. Social media is highly invaluable when it comes to brand building because it has a large reach and is intentionally designed for engagement. Social media is undoubtedly the emerging powerhouse in the world of marketing, although to get this right you need to get your social media strategy right. If you don't, you might just be wasting your time because you won't get any positive feedback. And I guess you won't want that. On the other hand, if you can set up the right goals on the right platforms and use the very right approach to content, social media can turn out to be one of your biggest hits. How to use social media to grow your business. Did you know that you can sit in the comfort of your home, probably with a glass of wine, and make so much money on social media? Exactly. Social media can grow your business if you're using it the right way. Let's get it started. 1. Make a good choice of the right social media platform. If you've not been so active on social media, and you're just starting out, you'll have to decide the platform you're going to make use of. Before you can make this decision, it'll be necessary to consider two factors. 1. Your target audience. Before you even consider the overall demographics, you also need to ask yourself the kind of people that uses that particular platform before committing so much energy and time to it. When picking a platform, you should consider the following. Your target age group. The gender of your target audience. Their interests. The favorite platform of your target audience. You could go ahead to do a Google search and focus on the platforms you're really curious about. This is very important and cannot be overlooked. You don't need to be posting on social media platforms just because the platform is a popular one or because you just like it. You should only be engaged to platforms where you have valuable contents to post. 2. The kind of content you'll post. The engagement rates on Facebook have been seen to be really appealing. And this makes Facebook an amazing platform to grow your business with. Other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are created with a more specific aim. Instagram is known and designed for a great emphasis on pictures and videos. And Twitter on the other hand seems to have created a striking balance between text and visuals, and due to its limited character counts, tweets are easily and quickly consumable. Twitter is a good platform for informal engagement and interaction. You could still advertise your business even while making tweets for the fun of it. LinkedIn is for business networking mostly. 2. Create your social media content strategy. Just as a choice of the right platform is important, your content strategy is no kid's play. This is the do or die of your social media presence. The downfall of most businesses is usually when they lose the content strategy game, and just posting things they rather find interesting. It'll be necessary to have in mind that your content doesn't necessarily have to be so exciting and attractive, but it has to be unique and of interest to your prospective customers. It'll be really thoughtful of you to ask your team the kind of questions they get on a regular basis from prospects and be intentional about making content based on those topics. The components of an outstanding social media strategy. Despite the fact that almost every brand content strategy looks a bit different, there are still a few tips that need to be considered if your content strategy game is going to play out so well. Social media needs to be social. You shouldn't make the mistake of making your posts all about your products and company. It's way easier to be more successful on social media when your posts are about people as well. You can do this by posting photos when you're privileged to network and tag people. Give well-deserved shout-outs to people you know are doing well. This doesn't still have to be all the time. Make your updates more visual. The majority of social media platforms are now prioritizing visual content in their algorithm. The apex is video, accompanied by pictures and then graphics. Posts that are only made up of words might not give you the results and outreach you're in need of. Schedule your content tool properly. One of the greatest challenges of social media is that it's too much work to remember to always come up with content every single time. Make the job easier by making use of scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. But if you're only active on Facebook, You can make use of their publishing tools to schedule your posts. 3. Make an action plan. When it comes to making an action plan, you can do this yourself. The main advantage of this is the fact that you have total control over your brand representation. You could as well employ an intern or even hire an agency. Working with an agent is highly advisable as you'll get maximum support that'll definitely produce a better return on your investment. 4. Build trust with your customers. There is much more to social media than just it being a platform used for business. It also gives the exciting opportunity to build trust and have customers that'll remain loyal. You should make sure that all the contents you post on your social media profiles are unique and also very engaging for your audience. Your audience will only be interested in your posts if you come up with the right content of their interest. This can help build trust. People respect authenticity. 5. Keep an open eye on competitors. This might sound weird to you, but yes, social media is such an easy way to keep an eye on your competitors. You don't need to travel miles away to know what your competitors are up to. Social media definitely gives you the opportunity to monitor and also get the motivation to be better and not just competing with no aim. You should learn from your competitors and not envy them. Don't you think that there's a reason why your competitors are really doing better than you? Be smart enough to know their strategies, but you don't have to copy them. What worked for them might not just work for you. The point here is to get an idea from what your competitors are doing and do it better. Learn from the mistakes of your competitors, so you don't end up making the same mistakes. There are numerous tools that could help you out with competitive analysis. Before using any of the tools, be sure to know if the company offers a free trial period, so you can test if it works for you. Conclusion. I hope you now have a better understanding of how social media can be used to promote your business. You should also note that not all kinds of strategies mentioned in this article will work for your business. You just have to keep trying them out and go for the one that works best for you as you make improvements. I wish you all the best as you develop the right approach to the use of social media in business promotion. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.